back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for this channel. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I always say how much how horrible I am at doing hair, and so I wanted to show you guys this wig that I got. Yes, I got a wig. I know that sounds crazy for me, but I saw the trend headband wigs and I really wanted to try because like my hair has just been like giving me a run for my money lately, and I needed something a little bit different to kind of switch it up. And I really didn't want to get like a full wig because I have no idea how to put on a full wig or like where to even begin. So I was like looking on tutorials, and I was actually sold like really fast on just getting a headband wig. It did not take me very long to figure this out. Talking to my friend about it, and she was like, yeah, I was thinking about getting one as well. And so we were watching some videos together, and I was just like sold. The first tutorial I saw, I was like, that's easy, that looks like something I could do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get me a little headband wig. So I did, and this is what the hair looks like. I got about 14 inches of hair from a company called Julia Hair. That's the review that I saw on one of the person's YouTuber's channel that I'm subscribed to. So that is what it looks like. It has one clip at the front of the head and then one at like the base of the neck, and then it has like Velcro on the headband so you could like adjust. These like little clips I attach, they actually came in the box with the wig, and because my head is so small and originally when I tried it on it felt like it could be a little bit tighter, but the Velcro only stretched so much. So I ended up just like sewing these on. I don't think I'm gonna need them, but in case I do, because I need it to feel tighter, then obviously I'll use them. But it's a really nice hair. I washed it yesterday. Sorry, this part looks a little weird because I was playing around with the curling iron, but I received it yesterday. Actually, the shipping was amazingly like fast. I ordered this on Friday and I received it Monday, which was yesterday. So this is what it looks like washed. Out of the box it looked very similar. It's just more body now since I washed it, but it's really good quality hair. Like since I've had it and when I was washing it, it was not shedding a lot or doing anything crazy. I mean, I don't know much about like weave and stuff, but I know like it doesn't shed, because that annoys me when hair sheds, but it doesn't shed that much. It doesn't shed at all, to be honest. And it has like a weird smell, but it just smells like extensions, I guess. And this is in the color 1B. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on for you guys. I was gonna do my edges, so let's do that actually. And obviously my hair is not in cornrows because I don't have time for that. I just have like a small bun in the back of my head. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And so that front one, we're just gonna go ahead and clip right in. And then we're gonna go to the back and secure that other one. Like I was skeptical at first with it just being like 2 clips, but honestly yesterday I was just like feeling myself and I was like moving my head all about, and it did not feel like it was going to move. I think just for me it's just like the band could be tighter because of my head is just small. So yeah, but this is what it's looking like right now. I really do like it a lot. And it came with 2 headbands in the wig set. So like this blue one and this like kind of like pinkish greenish one. Yeah, but honestly this is the easiest thing in my life, and even though I have like my bun, it just gives it a fuller look. Like it doesn't look weird. I hope not, at least. I can't really see the back of my head, but yeah, I actually really like it. This is something that I was super excited about it when I bought it because I just never really do anything much with my hair when it comes on to weave. because I just don't really know how to. Oh, my phone's dying. Because I don't really know how to, but this is like, this is easy. It's easy, it's nice, and it honestly was very affordable. I thought I was gonna have to pay like a lot of money for it. I really didn't. I paid like, they had a sale, I believe, when I was on the site, and it was like 70 something dollars, and I thought I was gonna have to pay way more for it. So honestly, I probably would get another one, like a straight one or something, but I would definitely like get a ton of these, honestly. Like longer, shorter, like a bob or something. That's what it looks like with the headband. And the hair is like, when I tell you soft, like the hair is so soft. My hand goes right through it. It's the softest hair I've ever felt in my life. I love this hair. Like I love it. And I never, this is the first time I've ever gotten like curly extensions because I never do curly hair. But this is doing a lot for me. Like I'm really feeling it. Yeah, I just really like this hair a lot. It's super easy to do and convenient. I'm a person that's also, I'm always on the go with school and work. I don't have time to sit and like do my hair and glue stuff down and all that extra stuff, so this will be perfect for me. I'm always also in a rush, so, and my hair will take like forever if I'm trying to put it in a ponytail or something, so this will save me so much time when I'm trying to just get out the door and go. And especially with the holiday season coming up, I mean with COVID, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do anything, but I have this in my closet and I have it and I can just pull it out whenever I want to wear it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me just fix the back. Can't really see the back of my head, so I don't know what this looks like. But yeah, if you wanted to like do a little half up, half down, you could. So I wouldn't leave it out. I'd probably I can't go alone anymore. I'd probably just put it in a little bun, like I'd wear it in a bun. But I'm just giving y'all ideas. Don't, like, I don't know how to do hair, so don't come telling me, oh, that doesn't look good. It'll probably look good if you try it, but that doesn't look terrible. I just like to suck. Yeah, that's not terrible. Like if I were to really sit down and like fix it nice, it would look fine. But yeah, I really do like this hair, guys. I really do. And like honestly, if you didn't want to wear a headband, you really probably wouldn't have to because it looks fine. And I probably won't use these headbands because they're bulky. I'll just probably like use flat headbands. But these are cute, you know, they're fine. Yeah, let's take that down. Like I said, it's super easy to do, super easy to put on, style, and it's on there. Like it doesn't feel like, I don't feel like it's moving. It's definitely secured to my head, and like you can always just adjust the clip in front if you feel like it's sliding too, but honestly it's probably fine. Yeah, I really do like this hair. I'm very much like, it's definitely something that I would be using, I will be using like every time I need to style my hair and I'm going out. I'll probably just throw this on, to be honest. And like I said, I probably will want to get another one because I really like it and I probably want it in like a straight version of it. So that's probably what I will do in a few months. But yeah, thanks for coming to my little video, my little hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for anyone out there who sucks at doing hair as much as I do and you want something quick, easy, efficient, and just like beautiful hair. I would definitely recommend going on to Julia Hair. This is completely, I bought this with my own money and it's not sponsored. I'm just very happy with my purchase and I wanted to put you guys on. So if you're looking for something simple, easy, and very like inexpensive, I would definitely say go ahead and look, go on their website and see if you find anything that you like. And yeah, let me know how it goes. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also follow my social medias. I will put them on the screen, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.